What's going on, everyone? Samuel Lokito. We're back again with another exercise. So for today, it's going to be 3 sets of exercise. It's going to be jump rope, walkout to push up, and the squat toe touch. So you guys, for the jump rope, you guys are going to be doing 50 rep. Then the other one is going to be 10 rep each. So you guys are going to be doing 5 rounds of these 3 sets of exercise. So you guys can set it up the way you guys want. You guys can do it for time, or you guys can do a 2-minute walk and 1 minute of rest. All right, so I'm going to demonstrate just 1 set of the workout. 1 round, I meant 1 round of the workout. All right, just watch along. Good luck.